Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna show you my hangar trailer. This is more than 10 years I got this trailer. I built 10 years ago and now it's quite good condition still after 10 years, and I'll show you how to do that kind of trailer in quite cheap way. So it's quite simple to do and quite cheap to do. What you need to get single axle caravan chassis, not like this, because base is always rotten and bad condition. We have to get like this without any additional parts of base, clean caravan chassis. And you can get from eBay for 165 pounds, and payload is 1200 kilograms, so you can put heavy stuff on it. So what I did some cross scaffold boards and screwed to the chassis, then put around some 2x2 timbers, and then made the walls, and on the walls I fixed some roof corrugated sheet with a special screws. Yeah, and yes, mostly used 4-inch screws. The scaffold board is around 1-inch thickness, so here you can see inside, and here almost done. This is a nice edge which I did, watertight. Yeah, and the view from top, and here the trailer is almost finished. And now you can see what is in the trailer. I'm opening now. Yes, as you see, this is a roof corrugated metal sheet, and I used all the timber to make expenses down. Yeah, also here it's a scaffold board. Yeah, and it's quite long, 2 meters high, and this way, I don't know, maybe 1 meter 70 and 6 meters long. You see?